Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be building a simple quiz program using Python. If you're new to Python or just want to practice your skills, this is a great project to get started with. Our destination program is create a program that asks questions from user and tells the answer is correct or wrong, and at last tells his score out of total. First of all, try to create it yourself. If you got problem, then see our tutorial. Let's get started. Copy it and change values simply. Our program is ready, let's try it. Yeah, it works well. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for more content.